lesson. First, health. What do you mean by health? Health is a state of well being enough to function well physically, mentally, and socially. When you are healthy, you should be healthy physically, you should be healthy mentally. Mental health means what? When you say mental health, what does it mean? Who can tell me? Mental health means what? You are not having any tension. Yes, Vivash. No emotions, no tension, no stress. You should be healthy, mentally healthy. That is mental healthy health. Then socially healthy means what? Who can tell me what is socially healthy? Anybody? No one? Socially healthy means when your surrounding is clean. Okay, your surrounding is clean. That is one thing. Then with your neighbors or with your friends and all, you are having a good relation. You are not having fight with them, and all are living peacefully. That is also we can say that is social health. There is cleanliness in the surrounding. That also you can say that is social health. So when we say a person is healthy, the person is healthy physically, mentally, and socially. All these three things are very much important. If you are healthy physically and but you are having lot of tensions, then you cannot say that you are healthy. So personal health and community health both matter for health. So personal health also should be there and community health. Community health, as I told you, the surrounding should be clean, not like everywhere waste is lying down or lot of pollution is there. That community health together in a surrounding that should be everything should be clean. So that is also very important. So personal health, you should be healthy personally and your surrounding should also be healthy. So our social environment is an important factor in our individual health. If our surrounding is clean, we too will remain healthy. This is healthy. Huh? So if we are clean, if we are our surrounding is clean. If you are taking bath, you are very much clean, but you are living in an area which is having lot of waste lying here and there and lot of logged area is there, then in that case we cannot say that we are healthy because slowly many diseases can come because of that waste. Good economic conditions and jobs are needed for individual health. Why you say that good economic condition? If good economic condition is there, if good job is there, people will have money. If people will have money, they can buy proper food. So they will be healthy. If they are not having money, they will not be able to buy proper food and they cannot be healthy. So that balanced diet, no, you have studied in your lower classes, balanced diet is needed for every person. So when can like you have seen many there are people who don't have food for even one time to eat. So what happens? They are suffering from some or the other diseases because they are lacking the balanced diet. So good economic conditions is necessary. Money is needed to buy all these things, isn't it? So good economic conditions and jobs are needed for individual health. Social equality and harmony are necessary for individual health. As I told you, you should not fight with your neighbors, like there should not be a like all are fighting with each other, no peace in a surrounding. That is also not good for our health. We will always be in tension then. So social equality and harmony are necessary for individuals. So these things are necessary for an individual to be healthy. Now, distinction between health and disease, healthy, what when you say a person is healthy and when you say a person is disease free, there is difference between that. Okay, so what is the difference between saying that being healthy and being disease free? Disease literally means being uncomfortable. Disease literally means being uncomfortable. Uncomfortable, you may not feel well, you may have headache, you may have fever. You can say that that is you are not comfortable with it. So that is disease. Disease can be a specific and particular cause for discomfort. Suppose you are having fever, viral fever. So that will make you weak, and that will give you headache, that will give you fever. So that disease is causing you discomfort. It is possible to be in poor health without actually suffering from a particular disease. So we can, a person may not be having a disease, but we can say the person is not healthy. Why? See the example. Poor health for a dancer may mean not being able to stretch his body into graceful position. A dancer will be maybe no disease is there in that person, but he may not be able to stretch his hand properly or do his positions, take his positions properly. So we say that person is not healthy. He may not having any disease, but we can say that the person is not healthy. Okay. It may happen to you also, no, some days you may not be having any disease, no, nothing, no fever and all, but still you may not feel energetic. You may feel that you are not, you are having you become very lazy in doing the work. So that is when you are not healthy. Okay, you are not having disease, but you are not healthy. We can be in poor health without there being a simple cause in the form of an identifiable disease. You may not have any disease, but still you can say that you are not feeling well, you are not healthy in that time. So both healthy and disease free is different. Disease will be having a specific disease would be there, a specific organ would be affected, or you may have a particular cause why you are not feeling well. But sometimes it happens that without a disease also you are not healthy. So we can say we are in poor health at that time. So the distinction between healthy and disease free. Healthy, it is a state of physical, mental and social well-being, as I told you. Disease free, it is a state of absence from disease. There is no disease at that time. That is disease free. Healthy, it refers to the individual physical and social environment. Individual and social environment, the whole that person particularly, and the surrounding together, that refers to the healthy environment. It and disease free, it refers to only the individual, only an individual, only a person can be suffering from a disease. Okay, the individual has good health. The individual may have good health or poor health. When a person is healthy, the individual is having good health. When a person is disease free, he may not be having good health, he may be having poor health. So disease free means having a particular disease, and healthy means he is healthy in all aspect, he is healthy. Okay, mentally, socially, physically, in all aspect he should be healthy. So that is the difference between healthy and disease free. Now, what are the causes of disease? What may be the causes of disease? Can anybody tell me? Tell me in general, what will be the cause of a disease? What will be the cause of a disease? Anudipti? Anudipti, tell me, what will be the cause of a disease?